Is Facebook blocking your earnings? Here's how to get monetization working again. Are you ineligible for all monetization or just certain features? Let me know in the comments below. First, check partner monetization policies. You need 1000 plus followers and 5000 plus video minutes. Fix copyright claims. Delete any videos with unlicensed music immediately. Avoid reused content flags. Add original commentary to all reposted clips. Post 3 native videos weekly. Facebook prioritizes consistent creators. Still blocked? Complete business verification. This unlocks manual reviews. Is your earnings back? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.